Hi, welcome to Basic English. In today's episode, I have a new phrase for you. Phobia. Do you know what does it mean? Let's find out what does it mean and how we can use it in our daily conversation. Phobia, which basically means to have a fear of a particular object. অথবা আমরা বলতে পারি কোনো এক নির্দিষ্ট বস্তুতে অনেক ভয় থাকা. Let's look at some example for better understanding. Example 1. I have so many phobia, but my worst phobia is snake. Example 2. My phobia of public speaking leaves me speechless in front of the audience. Example 3. I have a commitment phobia. That's why I couldn't accept his proposal. Example 4. Many people have a phobia of water. That's why they are extremely scared to swim in water. The last one we have. In the period of lockdown, we all have a germ phobia.